I'm Jen, and I want to welcome you back to A Little Bit of Everything. With summer being here, we're going to start going into some of my favorite barbecue side dishes. One of my absolute favorites is basic coleslaw. So we've got our stuff lined out. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and start with about 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. We'll put that in our bowl. Now, to this, we are going to add the secret ingredient, 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of malt vinegar, 1 tablespoon of regular white table sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon or so of salt and about the same on pepper. I like my coleslaw a little bit on the peppery side. It helps cut the sweet. And if I skimp on the pepper, my husband will probably strangle me. Now, we've got that all in our bowl. We're going to mix it up till it's all smooth and all one consistency. Doesn't take very long. It should smell sweet and tangy. Let's give this a quick taste. And that is just about right. Now, the next step to this is we're going to take this dressing and we're going to pour it over our coleslaw mix, which is basically green cabbage, purple cabbage, carrots, all shredded up nice and fine. Don't be shy. This is supposed to be coleslaw and not salad. So we're going to go ahead and pour all of this dressing over that. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and take a set of tongs and mix this up, trying to coat the cabbage nice and evenly. Best way to do that is to bring the cabbage up from the bottom in a twisting motion. There we go. We're looking good, slowly but surely. Be patient, take your time. This can be done well ahead of time. I like to make mine in the morning. That way it has time to set before we barbecue tonight. Beautiful. We have our coleslaw thoroughly mixed, and that is probably the quickest and easiest barbecue side you've ever done. Let me grab a fork and let's get this tasted. One nice bite. We are creamy